What's up guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now Vuyokazi from Izinganez's Tembu has finally given birth to a beautiful baby boy. It is no surprise that the baby looks this gorgeous because, like, look at the mother, and the comments on TikTok, people were saying that this baby looks like Tirelo's baby. I don't know guys, do you guys see any resemblance in these kids? Because one thing I can say, maybe it's the color, and I think also the lips do look, like their father's lips. But yes guys, Vuyokazi has given birth to a beautiful baby boy. She was hiding the baby, first months and all of that, but the grandfather, guys, we all know Musa Mseleku. That's all I have for you today. Please make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below.